Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and find accessibility and tap on the screen reader. And as you can see here, we've got the screen reader options. Before turning on the voice assistant, let's customize it. So let's tap on the settings, and as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. For example, we can decide if you want to speak the passwords. We can change the percentage of accessibility volume. It's really up to you how you want to set it. Let me get back. As you can see here, we've got the tutorial, so of course you can tap on it, you can go through it and learn how to use this mode. And now I am going to show you I will say the basics of navigating in this mode. So in order to turn on the voice assistant, just tap on the switch right here. And as you can see now, your device is telling you that it has to have full control of your phone, so it has to view and control screens and view and perform actions. So if you're ready, click on allow and double tap. Okay, tap on turn on. And as you can see, by default we are going to the tutorial, but let me get back and let me show you the shortcut of it. So first of all, let's learn how to enter something or how to use something. For example, how to use this back button. You have to tap on it, then you will see a blue frame and double tap in order to activate it. And as you can see, we just got back to the screen reader settings. Let me get back again, so double tap, accessibility, then double tap again, and here we are in the settings. So now let me show you how to swipe. You have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way or this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So now let me show you how to turn it off. Just go back to the accessibility, tap the blue frame and then double tap, tap on the screen reader, double tap, tap here, double tap, and tap on turn off and double tap. And as you can hear, the voice assistant is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack mode in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.